Right, let's get this done. Wow, this heat is brutal. I need a break. There, finally. Just for 1 minute. My zone, my temperature, perfect. Wait, what's in here? Cold water? Wow, perfect. Now we're talking. Massage too?
Where's the photographer? Where is the photographer?